In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new service on Fresha. Now, this comprehensive guide is tailored to help you get the most out of Fresha's platform by offering the service you provide to your clients in a clear and organized manner. So let's dive right in and make sure your business is set up for success. First, from your Fresha dashboard, you'll want to navigate over to the catalog section. Here, you'll find the services menu, which is your go-to destination for managing all the appointment offerings you provide. Think of this as the central hub where all your service-related matters are handled. It's crucial to keep it organized and up to date. Now let's move ahead and create a brand new service for your clients. Start by clicking on the Add Service button. In some instances, it might appear as add followed by single service. Both options guide you toward the same goal of introducing a new service. Once you've clicked it, you'll find yourself in the section titled Basic Details. This part is essential as it's where you define the identity of your service. Here, you'll need to input a catchy and precise service name. Additionally, you should assign the service to a specific category, which helps in keeping your offerings neatly organized for both you and your clients. You also have the opportunity to choose a visual color that will be displayed during bookings. This little touch not only enhances your client's booking experience visually, but can also aid in your organizational efforts by color coding services. Next up is setting the duration and pricing of your service, arguably one of the most critical steps. Start scrolling down until you reach the section marked pricing and duration. At this point, you'll input the pricing details of your service, making a choice between fixed or variable pricing based on what suits your business best. Coupled with the price, you'll also need to set the length of the service you're offering. This time can be anything from 30 to 40 to 60 minutes, depending on the requirements and nature of your service. Providing accurate timing is vital as it will streamline scheduling and enhance customer satisfaction. Let's proceed to assigning staff and locations. Deciding which staff members will provide the service and at which locations is crucial. Assigning the service to the correct personnel and workspace helps in organizing your business operations and preventing any mishaps like double booking. This part is all about optimizing functionality within your business. Finally, to wrap everything up, you'll want to save all these details. Hitting the save button will ensure that all the effort you've put into configuring your new service is recorded and updated within your Fresha account. And there you have it. Your new service is now live and ready for bookings. This setup will equip you perfectly to welcome your clients and grow your business efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.